This is an ST, hazardous area ST chain hoist, and I'm going to just demonstrate how to increase or decrease the slipping clutch. So it's a 17mm socket to just split the terminal box from the chassis. There's a hinge the other side, so it will pivot. There's a little cover covering the nut in here. It's not a problem if there's a slight oil leak, just have a rag ready to catch that. So on the ST5s there can be a grub screw that locks in the nut on one of the faces. There's just been an Allen key to loosen that, but this is an ST2, so there isn't a locking nut. And it is clockwise to increase the load and anti-clockwise to reduce the load, as simple as that.